Now we will move on to the vision and mission statement of a company. So what is a vision statement? Vision statement states the desired position of a company after say some years, or it is simply a desired position of a company. So where does the company want to go, what it wants to be? So for example, to be in the top 3, to be in the top 5, or to be the number 1 in their chosen area of business. So next is mission statement. If vision is the destination, mission is the route. How do you get to the vision? So for example, if you want to be the number 1 in 10 years, so the company in its mission statement may say, we want to be in the top 3 by 5 years and in the top position by another 5 years. So mission statement helps the company to get to the vision it aspires to be. Mission statement helps the company achieve the vision which is envisioned by the company. So there are two types of business environment. So what are the types of business environment? So we talked about mission and vision statement. So now we will study types of business environment. So there are two types, external and internal. So rather internal and external. Internal business environment is unique to every business organization. Okay, so internal environment of company A is very different from internal environment of company B, but external environment will be same for both the companies operating in a country or an economy. So internal factors which are unique to the organization, external factors which are beyond the control of the company or business organization and is common to every organization in a system, which is common to every organization in a system.